This is awesome.
Oh yeah, you can definitely see it light up.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
Oh, we should put it in the Tupperware.
Oh, we should have a clear cup.
Yeah.
I have some ghetto like Tupperware.
Yeah, let's try and get it. Ah!
There it is.
Oh my God, that's awesome!
If you have multiple in there, they'll change. Like one will be lit up and one will be unlit. Always.
I love science.
So it's just water in there?
Yeah, the water prevents it from shattering.
Dude, that's fucking awesome.
Yeah. Yeah, there it goes.
Karthik, you're a genius.
And some light bulbs will actually change color. Like they'll be like blue and green and all kinds of crazy colors.
And I can light bulb.
So cool.
Microwaving light bulbs in our 30s.
I love how Jen's sitting barefoot.
I'm ready.
Vagina something new.
He's like, I'm not having kids.
No,
Oh, no, you sure?
my vagina has seen light bulbs before. Oh, this is going on YouTube, and I just said that.
Internet famous.
I'm so internet famous right now. Woo! My vagina cannot light up light bulbs, though. Not that I know of.
What if it was in a microwave?
Laughing randomly. Did you hear that, Adam?
What?
That microwave was a bright idea.
That's two. I mean,
I got a joke for every trick we're doing here.
I think that's your act. You're gonna have a microwave on stage with you, and you're gonna be a comedian, just tell jokes about the shit that's going on.